Want to securely add an admin to collaborate on your content? This step-by-step guide shows you how, even without a built-in feature, adding an admin to a TikTok account allows multiple users to manage and collaborate on your content more efficiently. Now, the problem is that TikTok doesn't have a direct feature for this, but there is a workaround and I am going to explain it how. First, you will need to share your username and password with your admin. Yes, you heard right. Username and password. For example, if someone is going to manage your account, you will need to provide them with your credentials. Next, click on three lines at the top. Then select Setting and Privacy. After that, navigate to Security and Permission. Here, you will need to enable two-step verification. Click on it and then select two methods. The method I recommend are email authenticator and password. If you prefer, you can use your phone as well. Once you have selected the method, click Turn On. Next, register your account with an authenticator app. I use Google Authenticator, but you can use another if you prefer. You can also add your phone number as well, but this step is optional. Now, add a trusted device. Click on Add button and then Manage Trusted Devices by selecting the option below. Add another trusted device by logging into your TikTok account on that device. Once set up, your admin will be able to log in to manage your account. Each time they log in, you will receive a notification. That's how you can add an admin to your TikTok account. It's simple and secure way to share account management. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.